Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are making $500 per month using ChatGPT step by step. No coding, no big investment, no advanced skills needed. If you're serious about starting an online side hustle in 2026, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. ChatGPT is an AI tool that helps you write content, generate ideas, create emails, scripts, blog posts, and much more. Businesses in the USA need blog posts, product descriptions, emails, social media content, YouTube scripts, and most small businesses don't have time to write everything themselves. That's where you come in. You use ChatGPT to do the work faster, and you charge clients for the service. Method 1. Freelance writing. Offer services like blog writing, website content, and SEO articles. You can find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Start small, charge $20 and $30 per article. Do 20 articles per month, that's $400 and $600. Many YouTubers need scripts but don't want to write. Here's a simple method you can use. First, just speak your ideas naturally, like this. Then, use a tool to polish it. You can create script drafts, edit and improve them, then deliver to clients. Charge between $30 and $50 per script. Just 10 scripts a month can earn you $300 to $500. USA, job seekers pay for professional resumes and cover letters to stand out. Our service, Method 3, delivers tailored documents that get results. Invest in your career with Method 3 today. Struggling with your resume or cover letter? Let ChatGPT help documents that get you noticed. Just 10 clients in a month can earn you $250 to $600. Invest in your career. Contact us today to get started. Let's break it down realistically. Option A, 20 blog posts at $25 each gives you $500. And to use scripts at $45. We'll start with one service, master it, then scale. Copy-paste AI output. Always edit it, add a human touch, check the grammar, and improve the flow. Clients pay for quality, not just AI text. Mail speech, delivered right. First, create your Fiverr profile. Use ChatGPT to prepare sample work, then upload your gig. Stay active daily. Your first client might take 1 to 2 weeks. But once you get reviews, growth becomes faster. So yes, making $500 per month with ChatGPT is absolutely possible, but only if you take action, stay consistent, and treat it like a real business. Comment below, which method are you going to try first? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI side hustle tutorials. See you in the next video.